Ready to move on to method number 4?
Okay, let's hear it.
This one's all about affiliate marketing, which always seems a bit mysterious to me.
It can be,
Yeah.
but think of affiliate marketing as being a brand ambassador for products or services you genuinely believe in.
Okay.
You promote these products through your website, social media, or wherever you have an audience.
Right.
And when someone makes a purchase using your unique referral link,
Yeah.
you earn a commission.
So it's kind of like recommending products to a friend, but on a larger scale.
Yeah.
And with the potential to earn money.
Exactly. And there are countless affiliate programs out there, with Amazon Associates being one of the largest and most well-known.
Okay.
They provide you with custom links that you can easily share with your audience.
Okay, that sounds straightforward enough.
Yeah.
But how realistic is it to actually make money from affiliate marketing?
Well,
is it really passive income, or does it require a lot of active promotion?
let's break down the math.
Okay.
Imagine you're promoting a $50 product with a 5% commission and a 1% conversion rate. This means that for every 100 people who click your link, one person makes a purchase. To earn $100 a month, you would need 8,000 visits to your affiliate link.
8,000 visits.
Yeah.
That seems like a lot.
Well, so building an audience and driving traffic to those affiliate links is crucial.
So authenticity is key, right?
Absolutely.
It can't feel like a constant sales pitch.
Exactly. Imagine you're recommending a product to a friend.
Right.
You do it because you genuinely believe in it and think it would be beneficial to them. That's the kind of approach that works in affiliate marketing.
So for those listening, think about it.
Yeah?
What are some products or services that you genuinely love and use regularly? Could you naturally incorporate recommendations for these products into your content,
Yeah.
providing value to your audience while also potentially earning passive income?
It's all about finding the right fit between your passions, your audience's interests,
Right.
and the products or services you believe in.
Okay, let's move on to method number 5, which is selling a digital product. I instantly think of ebooks when I hear digital products, but I'm sure there's a much wider world out there.
You're absolutely right. Ebooks are just the tip of the iceberg.
Okay.
Digital products encompass a vast array of possibilities: website themes, icons, sets, templates, online courses,
Wow.
software plugins, anything that can be created once and then sold repeatedly without incurring additional production costs.
That makes sense. It's about creating a valuable asset
Right.
that can generate income without requiring you to constantly create new physical products.
Exactly.
Do you have any inspiring stories of people crushing it in the digital product world?
Oh, yeah. Well, Abdal shared a story about a guy named Traff who created an iOS 14 icon set
Okay.
and sold it online for $28, too. He ended up making $100,000 in less than a week.
Wow. That's incredible.
It is.
It shows how a seemingly simple digital product can take off when it solves a specific need at the right time.
Exactly. It's a great example of identifying a problem in the market, creating a high-quality solution, and then effectively marketing it to the right audience.
So for our listeners, it's about looking around and asking,
Yeah.
what problems or needs do you see that a digital product could solve?
That's right.
What skills or knowledge do you possess that could be packaged into a valuable digital resource? You might be sitting on a gold mine of an idea without even realizing it.
Absolutely. It's about harnessing your creativity and entrepreneurial spirit to create something truly valuable that others are willing to pay for.
Well, let's keep this momentum going and dive into method number 6, which is selling an online course.
Right.
This seems like a natural progression from the digital product world,
Yeah.
but maybe with a more targeted focus on education.
You're exactly right. Online courses are essentially digital products,
Okay.
but they're specifically designed to impart knowledge or skills. People are constantly seeking to learn and grow,
Right.
and online courses provide a convenient and accessible way to do so.
I'm curious about platforms for selling online courses. Do you have to create your own website and handle all the technical aspects, or are there easier options?
Building your own platform from scratch can be quite a task.
Yeah.
But thankfully, there are platforms like Skillshare that make it incredibly easy to create and sell your courses without worrying about the technical details.
Awesome.
They handle everything from hosting to marketing to payment processing, letting you focus on creating high-quality content.
And speaking of Skillshare, Abdal himself has had remarkable success with the platform,
He has.
earning between $60,000 and $65,000 per month from his Skillshare courses.
That's impressive.
That's amazing.
It's a testament to the growing demand for online learning and the potential for online courses to generate significant passive income. Of course, it takes effort to create a compelling and engaging course,
Sure.
but the rewards can be substantial.
This makes me wonder, what unique skills or knowledge could you share through an online course?
Yeah.
Think about your areas of expertise, passions,
Right.
or even unique life experiences. You might have valuable insights that others would love to learn.
It's all about pinpointing your strengths and finding a way to package them into a format that resonates with your target audience.
Right.
It could be anything from photography to coding to cooking to personal development. The possibilities are endless.
All right. I think that's a great place to pause for now.
Okay.
We've covered the first 6 methods of Ali Abdaal's 9 methods for generating passive income.
Right.
And I'm already feeling inspired.
It's fascinating to see the diverse range of options available.
Yeah.
And I hope our listeners are starting to envision the possibilities for themselves.
We'll be back soon with part 2, where we'll delve into the remaining 3 methods and explore some practical tips for getting started on your own passive income journey.
Sounds great.
So stay tuned.